20x for VVS Finance is on the way. What's up, y'all? It's CryptoTro bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrencies. And today we're talking about how VVS Finance is going to 20x in this next bull market. And I got some, analytics that I want to show and that I'm very bullish on for VVS. It's a lot of things going on with this decentralized exchange that they are doing some tremendous things, and it's very, very innovative. And I always say with decentralized exchanges or DEXs, you really want to be innovative just because it's so many out there and it's so many that are forks of different things. So a lot of projects or a lot of decentralized exchanges are not original, but VVS is coming up with some things that's going to be very bullish, especially going into this next bull market once we hit into 2024. So I can't wait to see what VVS has in store and how they continue to build it out. So stay tuned to the end of this video so I can give you some good alpha information about VVS Finance, because now is probably one of the best times to start investing in cryptocurrencies. Now we are starting to see prices rebounding just this past month. A lot of cryptos are up 50+%, but it's just getting started. Don't think it's over right now. We have yet to enter the bull market, and now we are still in the bear market. It's so many bullish narratives coming up for the crypto space. We got Bitcoin ETFs that's about to get passed. We got the Bitcoin halving coming up. And we know after the halving, Bitcoin shoots up. And right after Bitcoin shoots up, we start to see money flood into the altcoin sector. And that is what's going to happen again this go round. It's been 2 years, man. We're almost out of that bear market. Everybody who stuck around, who dollar cost average, who paid attention to what was going on, paid attention to the projects that we're building, they are going to be rewarded heavily just because of the patience and being in this cycle, man, being in this crazy bear market. We've seen a lot of things happen in the crypto space, and 2 years in crypto feels like a decade in traditional assets, but we are finally here and we are just on the brink of going into that bull market. So stay patient, guys. Make sure you check out my playlist, my VVS Finance playlist. I'm going to continue to update you guys on VVS as well. Now let's get straight into it, man. What we talking about today? VVS price, what it's looking like right now. So we can see VVS Finance, man. I'm not going to do all of this. Less than 1 cent. It's 0.0000 whatever 3. But we can see just this past month, we are up 69%, almost 70%. And I keep saying, man, this is just in a month. And that's why you got to love the crypto space, because if you zoom out, you can actually see we are still actually down from the yearly highs. So it's still a good opportunity to really start dollar cost averaging into VVS. Now, the best time was a month ago, and the second best time is now. Now we zoom all the way out, we can see VVS has still so much room to grow to get back up to all-time highs. Will it go back up to all-time highs? Now I truly don't know, but it will show some type of appreciation in the bull market because they are being innovative with the flawless liquidity. We're seeing articles getting written in these big newspapers and things like that, and we are seeing the team continue to build, and we're going to look at what everything that they have done in 2023. So I always say now is the second best time to start dollar cost averaging because we are still down significantly. Now we can see market cap is at $134 million, ranked 247. Volume is down 24%. Coming in at $4.3 million, and that's ranked 401. Now, VVS can easily be a top 200 project in my personal take on things because they continue to build. Like I said, they are setting themselves apart from other DEXs, and other DEXs pretty much are copy and paste type of code, and we are seeing the same thing amongst these DEXs, but VVS is being very innovative with their approach on how to get the best liquidity for the best pairs or trading pairs on their exchanges. Now, let's look into it, man. It's exciting news. VVS is 2-year anniversary, so get ready to dive into 2023 achievements, annual halving updates, and future incentives. Your support means the world to us. Stay tuned for more. So let's dive into the yearly updates and yearly achievements of what VVS have done in this past 2023. Now, VVS second year emission halving will commence on November 8th. It happened already. So according to VVS Tokenomics, the VVS token adopts an emission model wherein emissions are halved annually. So 50 trillion in the first year, 25 trillion supply in the second, and so on. So VVS inflation decreases by half each year. We achieve two objectives. So number one, rewarding the early adopters of VVS with the greatest share of VVS incentives. And number two, enhancing the unit economics of VVS as supply tapers off, resulting in scarcer and more sustainable tokens. So beyond that, VVS emission halving is a significant milestone to our protocol, just like the most iconic halving cycle in crypto, Bitcoin halvings, and their resultant supply reduction could also bolster the overall tokenomics for VVS finance. So we always aim to enhance the trading sustainability and improve the ecosystem. With the release of flawless V3 liquidity beta this year, our DEX will progressively reduce its dependence on incentive emissions as it empowers our users to fully utilize their capital and allow our community to earn more LP rewards by providing V3 liquidity. So that's what I was talking about earlier, and we're gonna talk about how, you know, a big company, a big news article and news type of company article on VVS finance. So let's look at the achievements in 2023. From the launch of VVS until the present day, our cumulative trading volume has exceeded $9 billion. So a growing number of VVS farmers continue to participate in swaps, supply liquidity, and deposit in vaults, among other activities. So this is very, very big. A lot of people are in their 4-year vault. Me personally, I don't want to be trapped into anything for 4 years because it just depends on when you locked it up. We know the halving is coming. You want to be able to be liquid during that bull run. You don't want to be locked up into too much of anything in that bull run because you want to take some profits. But the number one thing that happened for VVS was the flawless V3 liquidity beta launch. So flawless liquidity is a significant milestone in our platform's evolution. V3 incorporates numerous upgrades and refinements based on the valuable information or feedback from our vibrant community. Our main goals for flawless V3 liquidity are to enhance capital efficiency, empower our users to fully utilize their capital, and allow our community to earn more LP rewards by providing V3 liquidity. So key features: multi-tier fee for swap and traders, flawless liquidity, capital efficiency, active liquidity, range limit orders, non-fungible liquidity, and enhanced user interface and experience. Now, number two, VVS staking utility V3. That is an upgrade from the current VVS NFT staking, and it allows users to gain yield boost multipliers for the boost farms by playing VVS Gacha and completing rewards. So very excited for VVS Gacha. If you don't know about the miner modes, it is a game that VVS Finance has created, and I do believe if they continue to build it out, this will just be another product that they have to offer that is complementing the VVS Finance. And I love to see those crypto games mixed with DEXs, and just because it provides more utility for that project. And if you can have more utility for VVS, that's going to mean more holders are going to hold it rather than selling it, especially we know how DEXs work. We know DEXs, a lot of people form those tokens and just sell off the rewards, but if they have a reason to hold it and that coin has utility, then people are going to see appreciation in that token just because more people are holding it. Now, number three, the IGOs. VVS has pretty much gave gem offerings to a lot of big projects on the Cronos blockchain, and I love to see that, man. I love to see people get into these projects early and be able to capitalize off those early movements if you believe in that specific project. So just some of the gem offerings: we got Kaching, we got Corgi AI, Vino, and Lacron. So those are the gem offerings that were offered in 2023, and it's gonna be more to come in 2024. So another one is perpetual trading services. So you can now trade on Lacron, and pretty much it's just like leverage trading. You can get in there and start trading and easily get some, I won't say easily, but you can make some profit if you are a trader. Me personally, I am more so of an investor. I like to hold my cryptos, but this just gives us more reasons to get into VVS because they offer so many different services. Now, number five, liquid staking services. So you can liquid stake your VVS on Vnode, and this partnership is absolutely big, and that's all what it's about, man. Being able to partner with these different projects and continue continue to grow is something major and something you got to really look forward to in that crypto space, because projects, when they collab, it just brings the community together, man. It brings, more utility for both of those projects that end up working together. Now, we got the first mini game launch as well, so the mode dash. And like I said, minor modes, that was something big for VVS. They have a lot of things going on with the minor mode NFTs, and you can actually get in and start playing that mini game. And it's simple and fun, where you can control the minor mode to jump and duck and dodge the obstacles. So the longer you last in the game, the more experience points you will gain. Get your minor mode NFT ready and join us at that. Then we got the benefits for the minor modes, and whoever holds them, you can get, a lot of benefits for that. Last but not least, we see the multi-language support, Korean and Italian. So it's always good to be able to translate in different languages, because crypto is worldwide. We don't want to, just be cornered off from other places. We want to be borderless, and with this multi-language support, people from all around the world will be able to use VVS Finance and understand what they're reading and know what they're getting themselves into. So more exciting features are coming. We got flawless liquidity launch coming soon, better V3 trading and liquidity management, and the VVS user interface experience or enhancement is also on the way. So a lot of things coming in 2024 for VVS, and that's why I'm still bullish. Now let's look at some new news. Hey miners, we got a new farmer. So VVS will be launching a Crow and Soul, where you can stake Crow and Soul to earn VVS. Admissions already started on the 9th, and you can get in there, start earning some VVS if you have Crow and Solana. So another utility for those Crow users and those Soul users, and you can start earning some VVS just by doing that. And last but not least, I talked about the flawless liquidity, but not only that, Yahoo Finance has pretty much created a story in an article on this, man. That's big, because we know Yahoo Finance, a lot of people read the Yahoo Finance, a lot of people get their information from it. So the more eyes on VVS, the better. And this is the article. I already talked about the flawless liquidity, so I'm not going to read this entire article, but it's always good to see, man, new articles being made for VVS, especially with these big powerhouses that, millions of people read these type of, or get on these type of websites a day. So love to see that for VVS, and can't wait until we actually see that 20x for VVS that I believe is coming very soon in this upcoming bull market. So this is my video for today, CryptoTro. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications. I'm out of here.